Well, hello again, it's Talking Walls Photography, and as you can see, the point of entry for this house is going to be the ripped off plywood. So here we are in the pool room. Now, you can see that they have boarded up all of the windows, well, most of the windows. There is now graffiti. Looks like a furnace or heater has been thrown into the pool. All the glass has been smashed out. The calendar says March of 2021. Yeah, this is not going to be very good. I've seen pictures of this house, and it was, I don't know, it was okay. It was nothing, it wasn't what I call a drop everything and visit. It was just okay. So I put off going to this one. I was not really in much of a hurry to see this one. I knew where it was. Basically anything that gets put on a certain website, I have an inside source. But this one, yeah. This one did not really intrigue me, and now that I'm here, so you can see it's got the original. Let me get some light here. Boom. The original cupboards, the original tile, probably the original countertop. Maybe scrappers, I don't know. Looks like there was a fire. Well, yeah, there was a fire in the range. I didn't bring my proper light. A view from the pool from the kitchen. Yeah, no, this was a spur of the moment trip. I basically don't really care to drive to Toronto anymore. So what I do is I just compile a list of places, and I put them on my list, and sometimes I get to them in time. A little bit of racist graffiti there, I'll have to blur that out. And sometimes I don't get to them in time. This one, if I really wanted to see it, I could have gone like the week that it was on the internet. But this one just didn't really speak to me. And as you can see, people have not been kind to it. This is not looking for copper. This is people just vandalizing. And I don't really understand why. I have said it before. I'll say it again. That's a retro bathroom. If you're a young one, I don't know, 13, 14, 15 years old, grab a camera. Doesn't have to be a very good camera, and take pictures of houses instead of trashing them. And you'll get a following, and people will, I wouldn't say look up to you, but people will give you accolades and say, hey, really good pictures, you know? I'm trying to encourage the younger people, the youth of today, to not trash places. I'm talking to you, Cheeto, and Malem, and more racist graffiti. Yeah, so this is going to be a quick in and out. There's really not much to see here. Not much to see at all. And down in the basement was the retro, just watching my footsteps here, You know, I didn't even bring my my real flashlight, like my high power one. What I did was I left at 4 o'clock in the morning. I had been up all night doing some finishing up a IT project, and I thought, you know what, I got this list of places, let's just go. And yeah, I forgot my flashlight because I was in such a hurry. And well, I'm spontaneous, I'll say that. And I don't see any graffiti with my name on it. So thank you for not writing my name on the walls. Well, my friends, what are we? 6 minutes? Holy shit! There's a fridge right in the stairway. Holy crap! Oh, you would not want that to fall on you. Yeah. Well, if you've seen pictures of this house in its prime, you can appreciate the beauty of it. Unfortunately, what I'm bringing you is anything but the beauty. It's just all shit now. All right, well, this is TWP saying take care and be kind to one another.